Okay, we have two pictures of the same thing, two images of the same thing. All right, so I'm going to open the first image, 184, and I'm going to go to our photo notes, and you can see that this is a zoomed in view, and it's basically the same view, the same size picture as the thermal imaging view. Okay, so I'm going to say okay. Now I'm going to go to the second one and do the same thing, and this time though I'm going to go to full frame, so you can see that it's a much, computer slowed down, it's a much smaller image comparatively than this one is, than the thermal image is. Okay, only problem is with, and I'll say okay. Now I will save all the images, so there's no asterisk, no star. If I go back to this one though, you see that it shows it like this, okay, which is what we want to happen in the report, in the thermal imaging report. If I go back to this one though, and I had it, remember I had it full frame, now it's not in full frame anymore, even though I saved it, okay. And then if I want to generate a report, excuse me, then don't look at the first page, don't worry about the first page, but you see how much smaller this image is because it's all inclusive. Same thing on the second image. What we want is for that image that we had here to be represented like that. Sorry. To be represented like that in the thermal imaging report, which I can't even get to come up on the screen right now because I'm recording. But you see what I'm saying. Thank you very much. Any help you can give us will be appreciated. Thank you.